Yoga is the day where we touch the union, connection to the super consciousness. That is state of supreme happiness, bliss. That means we have to celebrate life each day, each moment. God has gifted each one of us unique life to make a difference in the people and the surroundings we are in. We always have to remember that it's just beyond the physical exercise to stay in shape. Mentally, we are meditating to clear the impurities in our mind. That's greed, envy, jealousy, anger, all that. To really feel the positive qualities of peace, love, compassion, and unity, oneness, inclusion, expansion, all that. No hate, all that. So all the scriptures teach us the same thing. International Day of Yoga is a great way to celebrate the unity in diversity, to always include. So the message I have is be happy for yourself and for everyone around you. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Om Shanti.